Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to do this problem. You're graphing f of x equals log base 4 of x minus 1, the quantity x minus 1. And I would refer you to my video on section 5.3, Logarithmic Functions Part 2. And just go to minute 10:35 in the video, and there's a couple of graphs there that I think will help you to graph this. So first of all, you should graph it on paper, but basically you're going to graph the parent function y equals log base 4 of x, and if you watch the video, it'll show you how to do that. And then this is just going to be a horizontal shift right 1 because of the minus 1 here. All right, so here it says the graph could be obtained by translating the graph of y equals log base 4 of x, and it would be 1 unit to the right. Remember, because this is a horizontal shift, these are the ones that work kind of the opposite of what you might expect. We go 1 to the right. All right, so let's go ahead and check our answer here. And now we're ready to do the graph. So this is an exponential function curve, and you can see exponential tool, and this is a logarithmic function tool. I want to remind you that exponential functions, the basic function, like y equals 2 to the x, goes through the point 0, 1, and for the basic logarithmic functions, like when we graph the log base 4 of x, that's going to go through the point 1, 0. Notice the x and y values there are just flipped. So let's go ahead and pick this graph. And we know we're going to go through the point 1, 0. And so what it's done is it has graphed y equals log base 4 of x. And notice another point on the graph is 4, 1. But anyway, all to say, now that we have this box here, we're going to use it to do the graph of the shift, which is horizontally 1 to the right. Now I know in the equation it says x minus 1, but we're going to shift 1 to the right, and so our horizontal shift is plus 1. And so now you don't have to, I don't know if you want to check this box here. I usually just click on save down below. And then when you check your answer, let's see. It's good, and we'll go on to the next problem, and you would do, I guess I can finish this out. So the domain here, notice it's from left to right. We start at 1, but there's an asymptote right here. We're not quite going to be at 1. So it'll be parentheses, and it'll be 1 to infinity. And so let me go ahead and put that in. And then finally, the equation of this line that would be here, they're not actually asking you to graph it, but it would be x equals 1. All right, and so that's how you would do that problem.